Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Now I am making easy method of kheema egg pulav, and you can call it as a kheema egg biryani also, because of we are adding garam masalas, whole garam masalas, and chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and the different method. It's a normal egg pulav. It's not a normal egg pulav. We are mixing rice with raw eggs, then direct pouring on the pulav, flavored pulav. 2 eggs, sliced onions, tomatoes, green chilies, whole garam masalas, leaves, jeera, shajira, and lavang, oil, pudina, coriander leaves, salt, turmeric and ginger garlic paste, and ghee, for cooking. Take the cooker and soaked rice. I will tell the exact quantity rice. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the 1 glass of rice and soak it like this. Strain the water, then add 2 eggs. It is a different pulao, that's why I am adding raw eggs on raw rice. See, like this. Then keep it in a side. Now making keema egg pulao. First add the oil. Heat it. Then add whole garam masala, garam masala is heated. Then add sliced onions and green chilies and little bit of salt for golden brown color firstly. Cook it on slow flame. Next add ginger garlic paste. Just onions cook only 50%. Cook the ginger garlic paste until raw smell goes. Next add the tomatoes sliced and at the last turmeric powder. Add 2 spoons In this pulav don't add chili powder, and you can add also, but I'm not adding because of looking nice texture. Cook it on a low flame. Then add little bit of pudina on first, and a little bit on for garnish, and coriander also add little bit. Now add the egg with raw rice, omelette. We soak it with omelette, and now I am adding. And cook it for 2 minutes, then pour the water. This is an totally different from another pulav compared to this. For the recipe, I measured in this glass for rice. Now I am taking 2 glasses of water. Then stir it without broken the pieces of rice. You can see the texture and color. It's a lightish yellow color. Now it's boiling. Then keep it the deccan and whistle. Keep the deccan and wait for 2 whistles, and at the 3rd whistle you switch up the flame and keep it in a side for 5 minutes, then remove it. Pulav is ready to 1 whistle, 2 whistles, 3 whistles, and switch off the flame and keep it in for 5 minutes. Then remove it after 5 minutes. If you remove now only, you can get a soggy. Kheema pulav is ready, and now I am removing. Haha. And it's like a kheema. When we boil the egg, mix it with rice. Finally, the kheema egg pulav is ready. I am tasting how it's look. In rice middle you can see the eggs, small pieces like a kheema, and it's totally different from another pulavs. You can check it also. In commonly egg pulav means boiled egg and toss it and keep it on a pulav, but it's not. It's like anda burji pulav. And egg broken and mix it with raw rice, then keep it on a flavored water. Ready. Thanks for watching.